All of the scanning Nmap performs is worthless if we can't get meaningful, easy-to-read results as output. We've seen several examples of the interactive or screen output from the command. Nmap always provides this output, even if we ask that it redirect the results to a file. Even though Nmap is fast and efficient, some scans will still take a while to complete, and at times, the interactive output is frustratingly quiet. If you're curious about what, if anything, Nmap is doing, you can press Enter at any time while the command is running, and Nmap will print 2 status lines giving you an idea about its progress through the scan's various phases, and how much longer it might take to complete the current set of scans. In this example, you can see that Nmap is currently performing the ping scan, which it expects to complete in about 21 seconds. Remember that the ping scan is followed by several other phases, including the possibly lengthy port scan. Since the statistics displayed are only for the current operational phase, the complete scan might take considerably longer than the estimate shown, but still, it's reassuring to know that the process hasn't hung and that it will someday finish. Sometimes you'd like to know why Nmap has classified a port as either open or closed. The "reason" option alters the output with a 4th column that includes the result that caused Nmap to deduce the results it's displaying. In this example, we can see that Nmap classified port 80 as open because it received a SYNAC packet in response to its probe and a connection refused response to its connection request on port 443. We'll talk more about these reasons and what they mean in the next module. We've already seen output that includes the open and closed states for a port, but Nmap will also tell us if the port was filtered or unfiltered and can even classify a port in combinations of these states. All of that is informative and useful at times, but frequently all we care about are open services. The "open" option instructs Nmap to only display ports in an open state. Seeing the results on the screen is nice, but more often than not, we'd like to save the results to a file. The "O" option enables saving the results in different file formats. The N argument to the option saves the data in normal format, which is very similar to the interactive screen output. The X argument saves the data in XML format, and the G argument saves the output to a file with all the information for each host on a single line, which facilitates parsing the data with a search tool like the Unix grep command. All of these options are called using the same syntax and require a file name where the data will be stored. In summary, we've discussed several of Nmap's phases of operation and learned how Nmap expands the target and port specifications we provide on the command line to an actual list of targets. Armed with just these options, we can perform a variety of scans and gain valuable insight into the operation of our networks, but we still have several gaps in our knowledge. Join me in the next module as we begin to fill these gaps on our way to becoming Nmap ninjas.